Orgasm. Orgasm occurs after stimulation of the genitals or erogenous zone. It's a peak of the sexual arousal and causes intense feeling of pleasure. Orgasm has several positive effects on overall health. Everyone experiences sexual climax differently, which is normal and healthy. But some factors can make it difficult to achieve orgasm. An orgasm is a height or peak of sexual arousal. When your body releases sexual tension and pressure, it involves very intense feeling of pressure in your genitals and throughout your body. An orgasm usually lasts a few seconds and feels very good. Certain things happen throughout your body during orgasm. Your body suddenly releases sexual tension that built up during the first two phases of the sexual response cycle. Heart rate, blood pressure and breathing rate increases. Hormones are released into your bloodstream. Muscles in your genitals and anus rhythmically contract repeatedly, about once per second or several seconds. Muscle contractions play an important role in the orgasm. For an example, the muscle of your vagina and the uterus often contract. This may cause a small amount of fluid to release from your genitals. Otherwise, the muscles at the base of your penis contract, which usually lead to ejaculation when the body releases semen. In few minutes after orgasm, your body slowly returns to its normal state as you recover. Body part that became swollen or erect, such as your penis or the clitoris, go back to their previous size and color. Genitals may feel overly sensitive or uncomfortable to touch. Skin all over your body can look and feel flushed, that is a pink or red. You may feel satisfied, relaxed or tired. Some people may become sexually aroused again a few minutes after orgasm and can have multiple orgasms. Some need more time before they can orgasm again. This differs widely from person to person. Orgasm has different types. Anal orgasm. This type of orgasm is achieved by stimulation of your anus, the opening of your butt. Clitoris orgasm. The clitoris is the external or outside part of the female genital. It's located at the top of the vaginal opening, where the inner labia meet. This is called as clitoral hood. Clit organisms are felt most of your body surface, such as the tingling on your skin. Vaginal organism. The vagina is the opening of the female reproductive system. Vaginal organisms are felt deeper in your body. If you experience orgasm through your clitoris and vagina at the same time, this can cause a more intense orgasm. Erogenous zone. More rarely, some people reach a climax with stimulation of the erogenous zone, which includes ear, elbows, knee, neck, breast, nipples and wrist. How does an orgasm feel, or what does an orgasm feels like? Orgasm is generally intense and pleasurable, but it can feel different for everyone. And it can even feel different for a person each time. All of the differences are normal and healthy. You may or may not ejaculate or release fluid. Orgasm usually lasts a few seconds but can last longer. Orgasmic sensations can be mild or intense. You may need specific stimulation or sexual aids such as vibrators. Sometimes you may reach orgasm quickly and easily without much stimulation, but sometimes orgasm requires more time and effort. Why does orgasm feels good? During orgasm, your body releases dopamine, known as the feel-good hormone, and oxytocin, called as love drug. These hormones increase feeling of the happiness and the positive emotions. They can counteract the stress hormone, that is a cortisol. If you are having trouble during orgasm, people may have experience with the different methods and communicate well with their partners before they can achieve orgasm. Other factors can interfere with the ability to reach sexual climax, that is the advancing age, beliefs of the taboos about sex, expectations, hormonal imbalance, that is hypogonadism, lack of the emotional connection or comfort with a partner, past experiences with the sex, poor physical or mental health, including some medical and psychological condition, stress, use of certain medication, drugs or alcohol. If you have trouble having an orgasm and it bothers you, talk to your healthcare provider. Some people have sexual dysfunction that interferes with the orgasm. There are benefits of the orgasm. The researchers indicate that orgasm has several health benefits, including improvement, headaches and other pain, heart health, menstrual cramps, self-confidence, sleep, and stress.